What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and thanks for checking me out. The Concept Far Out Air Max has almost every color we could think of and a lot of different textures. So it was only right that I said, yo, we gotta do a how to style, man. Y'all know this is something I do whenever a sneaker is far out. You get what I far out? Anyway, I'm going to put together some outfits, some shirts, some hats. Try to figure out how to match this perfectly. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So the Air Max Concept Far Outs came out about 2 months ago. If you want to see the early review, in-depth review of it, I'll put it up there. But this wasn't the only one that came out. The Heavy, a lot of different names, but this was my favorite. So to match these out perfectly, besides the outfit that I put in the artwork, because that was dope, man. Give me a thumbs up right now if you think that outfit was dope. I got some more stuff though. Let's start with the hats. So this here is the Eric Emanuel, aka EE Trucker Hat, Arizona Diamondbacks. Now this hat has every color inside the Far Out Concept joints. You got that nice blue, the purple of course, even that neutral goldish brownish color. And this EE hits right here. The New Era hits, but the EE logo hits also, guys. So this is kind of like the perfect match hat for that sneaker. Another hat that's kind of clicking with that also is Hat Club's Cyberpunk hat. Now this hat is all black, so it kind of not give you that blue denim look of that Concept Air Max, but sometimes you need a black or solid dark blue to kind of make everything just fit. So the Cyberpunk colors definitely pops, and they are definitely the same color inside the sneaker. Also comes with a nice pin. This logo here may not be available, but it is still different teams in this color design that you can get to match that hat on hatclub.com. It's just a dope hat. It does have all the colors, but it's just more of a solid look compared to the EE hat I just showed you. To start off right, this is the Travis Scott LeBron James Class of 2020 tee. Maybe 2 years ago. You still can get it on StockX, and believe it or not, prices is not that high. You would think a Cactus Jack and LeBron James collab would give you like expensive resale, but no, you could get this shirt for under $100. And guys, if you don't know, the Far Out Concepts is more of a hippie Woodstock look, and this screams Woodstock hippie at you, like only Travis Scott can. So you have the class there. I think it's Class of 2023. This is for Class of 2020. Sorry guys. This is for LeBron I Promise School. And all the proceeds went there. Yeah, that was 20. So we're in 22. 2 years ago shirt, man. So you can see the date there. But the shirt is a dead-on match, guys. Woodstock. Same with the tops in Woodstock. You have the Supreme tee here. I don't really know what's going on in this picture. I never did. At that time, I just needed like a fuchsia pink shirt. And this was the only one Supreme had. But looking at this picture now, it's a lot going on, man. But this is a dead-on, spot-on match also for that Air Max. As you can look here. A lot of stuff going on, guys. But just the front, anyway, has that like hippie 70s font. And the pink, of course, is the same pink in the sneaker. So it's a dead-on match, guys. Being that the sneaker has like more of like a, I don't want to say vintage look, but more of a like a straight-on look, I would go with something para. Whenever you think of blue and pink mix, para is always a good go-to because that's their go-to. Blue and pink is what para does. And this shirt here, which is not a spot-on match, would definitely go. Depending on, you know, solid jeans or whatever. But I feel like this para shirt here is a definite go. It has the pink, it has the blue. It does not have the purple. But you can't match every color in that sneaker because that sneaker has lime green, purple, blue. You know what I mean. But I feel like this is a go-to, guys. And one more tee. It comes from Supreme. And this shirt is called America Eats Is Young. But if you know the Belly movie, this is exactly where that scene came from. Belly, one of my favorite movies. It's like the beginning scene of Belly where Nas and DMX is walking in to rob the club. Dope scene, man. But this blue is the blue that's inside the sneaker. And then the picture looking purplish because, you know, it's that black lighting. So everything's in there, man. You got a piece of red with the Supreme logo. The back of the shirt reads, America Eats Its Young. But we know it's a belly tee. And yeah, man, this is like a perfect match also. Definitely help you match that Air Max. I know I'm a Laker fan. I don't know what gave it away, but if you're watching the channel, you know I'm a Laker fan. And that City Edition 2021 jersey is also a match. It doesn't have the lime green again or that beautiful like infrared, but just this blue with the purple and the white is a match, guys. Definitely a match. And I even have the shorts. But I would just do the jersey. Maybe the shorts if you're just going for a store run. But yeah, man, this is definitely a match also, guys. Now, being that it's an Air Max 1, you really don't have to go streetwear. You can kind of go a little bit casual because it's an Air Max 1. Air Max 1's always been leaning towards the casual for me. Air Max 95 is more of an athletic sneaker to me. 97, you could go casual, but all those lines on there is really hard to do. The Air Max 1 is the easiest Air Max to go casual, in my opinion. Maybe the 90s too. The 90s and the Air Max 1 because they're similar. But guys, you can just go with a denim button-up, man. This here is inexpensive. It's from H&M. Maybe $30, $40. The same jean material in color that's inside the sneaker. That's why I love that sneaker. That jean material is really what screams out to me in that sneaker. But yeah, man. I mean, you can even go crazy and get one with some bandana print cut inside or outside. But this is like casual, man. You throw this on, maybe a pink tee under or a purple tee under, a different color that's in the sneaker. And man, you have a match, bro. Finally getting off the tops. The Michelin Ness All-Star Shorts. This purple Arizona, I believe the All-Star game was in that year, is a dead-on fit for the Air Max Heavies. First of all, you got the cactus right there on the waistline. And you know Woodstock, cactus, it's all in the same, man. So you have that green cactus there, the overall shorts all purple. And the sides have nice orange, which really doesn't go. But come on. It can match, man. You got that green at the bottom. Very dope. These were $80. But if you're watching this video today, like right now, Mentionless has 30% off, guys. So you might could get these for like $40, $45 if you act fast. But the all-out purple makes it match. I know the orange is really not in the shoe. I mean, yeah, in the shoe, but I don't think that matters when it comes to an all-purple shorts with the cactus there. These were I was a little iffy on, but I tried them on together. And the LeBron Space Jam Nike joints, it fit. It looked good, man. I know, again, we have this orange here, but this orange and yellow blend kind of looks like the infrared that's on the sneaker. Definitely this blue is a match, and the purple and red waistline is dope. The reason why I love these shorts is because they have zippers. It's very rare we getting shorts with zippers, man. And I like my money secured, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I love shorts with zippers. You got the LBJ logo there, dope. The LBJ number 6 there, in the Space Jam font. It's a match, guys. Again, I know this yellow and orange kind of throws it off, but that sneaker has so many colors that it works. Yeah, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop these? I did not look at resale prices in a while. I happen to got these for retail, so I'm happy about them. But this sneaker is a dope sneaker. It does take a lot to kind of get it to rock. But when you get sneakers like this with all these colors, just putting on all black really doesn't do it no more. You want to do it the best way you can. And if you look closely, the concept logo on the tongue has every colorway there. So, I mean, I know I've been showing y'all like stuff that doesn't have every color, but the sneaker is almost like a blank canvas rainbow, man. Like, you can do a lot. I did want to find something to play with the flowers in the swoosh, but the flowers is in the inside of the sneaker. As you can see, this here is what I was telling y'all about with the Phoenix Suns Eastern All-Star shorts. As you can see, that print there is the same print. The color is different. And I did want to find something to play with this this cow or pony skin here, but we can do that when we do a how to style on these joints here. Feel me? So yeah, thanks for watching another how to style, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about some of these things I put together, man. Hit like, please. It helps the channel. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.